Halo Makanku lovers, let's unboxing Makanku Square Box Series Collagen. Remove the plastic cover. Open the package. Open the package cover and take out all the thing inside. You will find grounded onion, condiment package of meatball and fish cake, bowl, sesame sauce, soya sauce, collagen broth, heating pad, spoon, and Thai sauce. How to serve. Tear the condiment package, then pour it into the bowl. Tear the collagen broth package, then pour it into the bowl. Pour the water into the box up to given limit. Take out the heating pad from the plastic cover and put it into the water. Put the bowl into the box. Close the cover tightly. Put the Thai sauce, sesame sauce, and soya sauce on top of the box. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the box cover. Tear on soya sauce package and put it on top. Tear on sesame sauce package and put it on top. Tear on Thai sauce package and put it on top. Tear on grounded onion package and put it on too. This is it. Makanku Square Box Series Collagen ready to eat. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.